Welcome back to Carolina Rock Cutoffs. Today, we're going to a super secret special place. And we are going to test out the 500 snorkels. Oh, you can't see it. The fuel bell's in the way. Bad fuel bell. Anyways, guys, we got the 500 loaded up. We're going to go test the snorkels, but we got to get there first. And I'm on the way there. Oh, crap. You can't tell it just rained. And yeah, I just cleaned these windows. And now look at them. They're filthy. This sucks. I just cleaned all these windows. Anyways, we are heading out there and we're going to go ahead and test these snorkels. So I'll catch y'all when we get there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we made it. I mean, wow, that sun is bright. And as you can see, it was a little muddier than I thought. Yeah, my truck was already dirty, but look at the trailer, guys. You gotta see this. Look at all that mud. Oh, it's all beaver. Ugh. But the 500, she's ready to go out. Let's see what the water looks like today. Oh, run. Ah, you can kind of see it today. I wonder if I put these sunglasses. No, you can't use them. But you see how it goes? It drops off, and then it drops off again. But today, we got four-wheel drive, and we got our big mud tires. If you didn't watch the last video when we come out here, we did not have tires. We were still sitting on the ball stocks that came on it when we bought it, and sadly, that didn't work out well. We kept getting stuck, so we got a lift, we got the tires, so we're a lot higher, and we're gonna try out today to see just how well the snorkels are, and just to have fun. We're gonna do some outside views too, by the way, if anybody going, it's not gonna be all GoPro. I'm gonna put the bucket right here, and then do some outside view, because again, I don't have anybody to record, and I hope y'all enjoy this. The other video when we tried it out with the stock tires will be in the description, or at the end, it'll be at the top if you get all the way to the end. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. That's what helps me keep doing this. It tells me people are actually enjoying this video. And hit the like button, guys. Not a lot of people do that. And please leave a comment. I love talking to everybody. So let me throw my GoPro on. Let me unload this thing. And we are going to get in this pond. And we are going to have a blast. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready. Let's get this going. So for everybody wondering, yes, the frame on this thing is still broken. Oh, crap. What the? Come on, baby. If you watched my last video with the 500, you remember that the frame got broken, and it's still broken. I don't know if you can see how squishy it is over there, but yeah, so I got to be a little bit careful with this thing, because I don't want to step on this side too much today. So let's hope for the best. Well, put in four-wheel drive. Oh, there it goes. Now it went in. I don't know why this thing does that. Okay, let's get going. Oh. Whoa. Look at that. I did not realize this was this deep. Woohoo. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. I don't remember it being this deep last time I was here. Oh! Oh crap, oh crap. Oh no! And it's over my, dang it! This was the, I just checked this thing the other day. Well, that was the, I don't know what happened. I just checked this the other day. Y'all see my videos, I've, what the? How did they get water in there? Ugh, this is a bad day already. 5 seconds in the video and I've already sunk it. What the? Why won't you? You know what, this is the problem with being by yourself. 2 seconds in a video and I've already sunk it. And of course, without help, this is a pain. Whoa, all the way up to my titty. This is over my chest. Oh, why did I do this? Well, And yeet. Yeet and delete. Fudge. I really did good on this at least. Well, there's the problem. It's full of waddle. Woo, woo. Well, here's the problem now. I gotta find a way to get this thing out of here. I guess we'll see if we can unhook the trailer, get the truck over here. Maybe we can pull it out. I don't know. Shoot, shoot, dang. This place is horrible. Come here, baby. This, guys, is why you should always have a friend. I do not have friends. Because if I had a friend, I could have got it out by now. Instead, here I am still screwing with it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is just a pain in the butt. So I hope y'all can see it rolling back a second. That's kind of funny. So as we can see, the airbox is full of water. So that's the first step. Drain it. Come on. She's peeing. Next step is to take the spark plug out, because it's full of water right there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we got quite a bit of moisture on that thing. I wonder why. Oh, here we go. Y'all never seen this. It's kind of funny. Sunglasses on. Look at it go. Oh, this is awesome. Let's see how the oil looks. I'm gonna go with bad. Nice and milky. Oh crap, I lost it. Oh wait, there it is. I about lost my O-ring. This is just, it's one of those days, ladies and gentlemen. So let's look at this thing. I don't know if I can really show that, but yeah, this didn't go well. Everything is full of water. So remember the truth. Let's see if she starts. I've drained it. Come on, Lord. Oh yeah. He runs. Woo! Stay. There's water everywhere now, so not the best thing. But we got it running. That's all that matters. What was that? Oh, that was me. Well, this was a great adventure. I think it's time to load her up on the trailer. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we got her running again. So, it's my fault. I realized exactly what I did when I started checking it over. So let me show you exactly where we screwed up. Where we really up. Oh, I'm mad about this. So that's what connects, right? You see there. I ended up messing up the first time and thought this hose was too long. So I trimmed it a little bit. and I siliconed it in, and I thought it would stay. No, it moved back. You see this hose, right? You see how it goes? Watch this. Whoop. Huh. I wonder why it went underwater and started sucking in water. I'll have to get a new hose built made like that. I mean, they're cheap. I can get them from Napa, but it is extremely upsetting when you sink the whole foil. Like, y'all saw it. It was deep. I was going to do some water wheelies today. I had so much planned, but instead, we sunk the 500. This ain't a clickbait video, as you can see. We truly sunk it, and hopefully I showed y'all how to unsink it. Now I got to change the oil because, you know, obviously it's full of water, and I got to go ahead and do a couple odd and end things. I got to get a new hose for that and reseal the 500, so that way it's ready to bring back up here, because this was the redemption. If you see the last one, it almost got stuck. I wanted to try and prove that this thing could make it through it, and instead we messed the snorkels up, which is sad because I've been taking it that deep and nothing happened. It must have bounced going down these roads. It's bouncing like this because these roads, as you can see in some of them, well, maybe not. I don't think I'm gonna leave any of that. It moved too much and it just shook it out. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like if you thought this video was funny and stupid, and check out the other video where we actually made it through and didn't sink it, and the playlist of these. It's a bad day. Let me load everything up, and I guess I'll go start unsinking this foiler. Well, I'll see y'all in the next one.